Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Type 2 diabetes mellitus and the chronic complications. So the first one, we are looking at the vascular. So under vascular, there is a microvascular as well as the macrovascular. So first let's look at the micro. So here in microvascular, it includes a retinopathy. So there is retinopathy. Then there is macular edema. Next is neuropathy. As well as the nephropathy. Next we move on to the vascular, and this time it is going to be the macrovascular. So in the macrovascular, it includes the coronary heart disease as well as the periphery artery disease and the cerebrovascular disease. Now let's look at the non-vascular. Under the non-vascular, it includes, there is gastrointestinal, that is GI, and under GI there is gastroparesis, as well as the diarrhea. Then we have the genitourinary. In genitourinary, there is uropathy, as well as the sexual dysfunction. Next we move on to the dermatologic. So under dermatologic conditions, next is the infectious conditions. Then comes the cataracts, the glaucoma, as well as there is the cheiroarthropathy. Then the periodontal diseases. Next is the hearing loss. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.